Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have a package here from Simon Says Stamp, and I got a few things from them. I was kind of excited about it. Oh, that's not from them. That must have fallen in my bag. I opened it, but I didn't look inside yet, so I want to see, but those are not from them. Okay, this is what I got from Simon Says Stamp. Yay, I'm so excited. Okay, I got this cute little Doodle Pops reindeer with squirrel and snowflakes. I thought it was adorable. So cute. And then I got a stamp that is also adorable. I love this wreath, and these critters are just so cute. Their faces are so sweet. I'm hoping you're picking that up. And then there's a little reindeer, and it says Happy Holidays, and this is called the Winter Critters Wreath, and then it says from all of us, and I got the matching die too. Isn't that the cutest thing? Oh my gosh. Just when I think that it couldn't get any cuter, I look at each one of their faces and I don't know which one I like better. They're all so sweet. So I thought that was adorable. And then this one was on sale and I couldn't pass this up. It has the cute fox and the little lamb and a deer and a bunny, and it says a sweet spring hello and thinking of you and welcome spring, and they all have little flowers around them, and this is called Woodland Spring. It's from Newton's Nook Designs. So check them out. You might find something you like there too. And again, this is from the site simonsaysStamp.com. So check them out and you might find something. They have cute things. And thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.